Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Still trying to get adjusted to being back home. I was in Cali for a few days. They're 2 hours behind. Then we had daylight savings time on top of that. I'm all messed up. I'll get back to my form soon. I went to Complexcon. If you haven't seen that video, click the link down in the description. You can check that out. But I made some purchases. I didn't show what I copped. I shipped it all back home. I wasn't packing this stuff on the plane, so I shipped it back home via UPS. So I'm gonna unbox that for you. Now, before I do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Check out the channel. Also, be sure to like this video if you like what you see. And I appreciate it, man. You can follow me at all the links to the website and everything is also in the description. thesneakertribune.com. Check us out. What I'm gonna do first, before I show you my Complexcon pickups, I'm gonna show you this one pickup I got from Amazon. Of course, I mean, Amazon is just taking over everything right now. I had to do this pickup. This is what I should have copped at Complexcon. Not there, but for it. I learned my lesson. I had a Mophie. The Mophie was pretty cool. The Mophie did come in handy, but I think this would have been better instead of trying to have something to hook up to your phone and do all that, man. I bought a battery case for my phone. So you put the phone in, charge it, you ready to go. Got this off of Amazon. I think I paid 28 bucks. I'll put a link in the description for you guys to check that out. I haven't seen Apple do one for the 11 Pro yet, so that's why I didn't buy one for Apple. And plus, this was 27 bucks. So that's that. And what else we got? Next purchase I got, I actually copped this on my way to Complexcon in the Uber ride. The time difference. So I missed out on the Fear Gods and the Fearless Ones on Sneakers app. I won a raffle for them. No, I didn't win a raffle. I'm sorry. I didn't win a raffle on the Sneakers app. I woke up and missed it because I overslept. Well, I didn't even oversleep. I'm thinking 9 o'clock. I was thinking 9 o'clock because I'm back home. 9 o'clock is when they drop. But they dropped at 7 a.m. LA time. And I missed it. I was up getting ready for Complexcon and I missed it. But I was able to get these. Size 14, because I have to wear a size 14 in these because they run tight. And there's no receipt in here, so I guess they don't ship receipts. But if you haven't seen it, some of you probably have already. But if you haven't, here we go, because I haven't seen them in person. Ooh. This is the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. I don't know about this color. This pink is very loud. It's a pink purplish. I thought I had a shirt that might go with this, but I didn't think they were this. This looks more purple and pink to me. It's like maybe a light pink purplish. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can get this one off. I have to see. I have to see what I got in the wardrobe to rock out with this one. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if I'm sold on this one, guys. I don't know. Yeah, the gum sole is just hard. The gum bottom is hard. Just this color, I don't know. That's a tough one. Very tough one. Have to see if I got something to match with that one. I don't know though. I'm not sold on that. Let's get down to business though. Complexcon pickups. Let me move this box out the way. Complexcon pickups, man. I had a great time. Just, you know, I wasn't able to cop the exclusive shoes they had. Like they had a Kyrie 5 going for 500 and 1,000 collab with Sneaker Room, and I didn't get it because of my status, me being a media, and I would have had to wait till a certain time to get in line or whatever. So I didn't get them. That's cool. You win some, you lose some. Like now I'm at that point, man, I don't even trip over not getting shoes, man. Sometimes I will if I really want it, but a lot of times it's just like, oh, okay, whatever. You know what I'm saying? We had the shock drop here in Houston yesterday for the Travis Scott Air Force Ones. I struck out. Didn't even care. That's the crazy part about it. All right, so let's get to the clothes first. As you can see, this bag, Fear of God Essentials, Complexcon on the back. I'm gonna get to these other shirts I got before I get to that. This is the same shirt. I just bought 2 of them, one for me and my wife. They had these at the Champion booth where you buy the shirt and then you get it customized. So I got Champions Long Beach on the shirt in a dark purple. Hers is the same as mine, so I guess we can match in head assery, you know what I'm saying, and match or whatever. She'll be delighted by that. She loves the head assery. So that's that. Then also from Complexcon, I got the Complex, established in 2002, New York hat. I copped that. I just wanted some type of merch from the actual event. Then on the side it says Complex in black stitching here on the side. Honestly, I copped this cap fast because I thought it said Complexcon on it, but it says Complex. Either way, I'm cool with that. That's fine, no biggie. It was 30 bucks. I think it was 30 bucks. Cooler dad hat, just something to throw on when I'm running errands. Then we get to the shirt. I don't know why I thought I bought the black one. Man, it's just a blur. I thought I bought the black one. Matter of fact, I did get the gray. Like in the video I showed you, they had like a nice mustard yellow color shirt and a white one with that same yellow on it, was reflective. They were out of a lot of stuff Saturday. They said they were saving the rest for Sunday. So this is all they had, because I know Fear God clothes run big, so I had to find something in a large, and this was all they had left in a large. This shirt, of course, it's blank on the front, and in the back it says Essentials Los Angeles, if you can see that. So yeah, pretty dope shirt. Shirt was 40 bucks. It still looks wide, man. I probably can't even fit this large. Like that line runs so big, man. I'm not the big flimsy shirt guy, so I'll try it on, man, and if not, I'll probably put it up for sale on my website. So follow thesneakertribune.com, because if I can't fit it, it's going for sale. I'm not gonna wear that shirt. I don't like big shirts. I don't know why. I just, not my thing. All right, what's next? I'll save that one for last because I got that at Complexcon. This shoe I did not get at Complexcon. I actually had to get in my car, not in my car, get in the Uber, leave, go to Lakewood Center Mall, pick this up, come back. I won the Air Force Ones also, but I didn't get into town in time. I got to the airport like at 4:50, and I wasn't gonna make it to the mall in time to pick up the shoe, so I struck out on that shoe. But instead, I was able to still pick up this one I won the raffle for at the Foot Locker in Lakewood Center Mall. Had to. Fearless. It says limits like fears are often just an illusion, by Michael Jordan. Has black laces, come with 3 laces. You can either do the white, red, or blue. I guess the laces probably went on here, but it tore off somehow, some way. But yeah, definitely gonna rock these. I know y'all seen these, so I won't take time going over the shoe, because I know you've seen them from every sneaker YouTuber, I'm sure, and just anybody else who just jumped on YouTube with that shoe. So I'm not gonna bore you with that one. Now this shoe, there's nothing extravagant about it. I thought it was a nice shoe. Nice, cool, little comfortable shoe I can throw on. And they had a Chinatown booth. They had a collab with Chinatown Market there, and you got to customize your shoe. But I was leaving and I didn't know they had another shoe that I could customize. And if I was paying attention, I would have. I thought you could only customize the clothes, not the shoes. Later found out you could have customized your shoes too. So I bought a pair of Pumas. These are nice. I actually like these. They're comfortable. It's the Future Rider OG Pack. Size 13, my size. I like the coloring on this shoe, man. These are nice. I rock with these. These are solid. Actually, I need to find me some yellow laces. I'm gonna put some yellow laces in these. This white lace is cool, but yellow laces will set these off. These are hard though. I rock with these. These joints are hard. Gum bottom. You can't go wrong with a gum bottom. And then it's that nylon material here at the foot. If you can hear that. We got the nylon, we got the suede here and on the heel tab, and then the actual Puma signature logo here. Aside from the Puma, this is leather. So this has a leather material. Back here is also leather. It's kind of like a tumble leather. This is a tumble leather. This is a soft tumble leather. And the rest of the shoe is nylon with the exception of the nubuck here and on the toe. And it has like kind of like a little clip here on the side. Maybe you can put something, attach something to it. And then the tongue actually is kind of like a deconstructed. As you can see, the actual sponge material here around the shoe. These are pretty dope. These were 90 bucks. 90 bucks. But these are nice, man. I actually like this shoe. This is a nice, comfortable shoe. And I'm going to rock it. I'm going to swag this joint out. I like these. Gum bottom says rider foam. So it has a rider foam technology in the shoe. Then it says Max Mit Qualitat since 1948. Forever faster. Puma. You can see there at the bottom of the shoe. This is a nice shoe, man. I really like this. I have two pair of Pumas, two pair of Pumas, the Thunder Spectras. So I like these though. It's kind of different from that. And Puma's been making some dope shoes. I just want to see the right ones for me. And I think these are the right ones for me. I like the comfort. I like the way they look, the style. It's nothing crazy, but that yellow in it. Gotta get me some yellow laces or navy blue. I might have some in there. But that's pretty much it, man. Those are my pickups from Complexcon. Appreciate you guys for checking it out. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 700. We're at 640, I think now. Just trying to get to 700, man. I start small. I don't, 1,000 would be great. But let's just try to get, I'm just trying to get to 700 and then we'll keep climbing. So, like I said, just hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it, man. And that is pretty much it. One more thing, though. Next week is finally happening. I'm going to do the giveaway for the Soul Premise backpack. It's finally happening. I've been saying it since I started that website in July. I was just trying to wait, man, till I saw some shift in some numbers. I didn't want to give it away, and it's only like 3 people following. So now is the time. Soul Premise backpack holds 1 pair of shoes. It's a commuter bag. Put a laptop in it. Next week. So stay tuned next week with details for that. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And until the next pickup or release, you guys be cool.